What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Stihl GTA 26 mini chainsaw. Now I really hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year for 2025 exactly, which it will get used at some point this year because I really hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year. I mean, this chainsaw here is like, I do like this thing a lot because you see how much expensive this chainsaw is like, which is not a bad looking machine in my opinion, but I'm hoping some point this thing will get used at some point this year for 2025 exactly, which it's definitely looks very nice looking in my opinion, but I hope at some point this thing will get used at some point this year. I mean, you have to push this down, it push this thing, because if you don't, it won't do anything until you push this down in my opinion, but you can see how much expensive this thing is like, which it's definitely how much you expected this chainsaw is like, which I'm not surprised this thing is like it's gonna get used almost quite a bit, but this chainsaw is like, I did use this thing almost quite a bit. It did get used in May, this thing's been set for since June, and ever since this thing has been used almost quite a bit, but you can see how much expensive this chainsaw exactly, which I really hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year. But it will get used again at some point this year for 2025 exactly, which I promise you this thing will get used at some point this year for 2025 exactly, which it's a nice looking chainsaw in my opinion, but this is a pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. Well, I hope at some point this thing will get used this year.